The heroic tales of Foxy and Whispering Woods. In the heart of Whispering Woods, where the trees whispered ancient secrets and the streams sang melodious tunes, there lived a fox of extraordinary character. Known to all as Foxy, she was not merely a fox with striking orange and white fur. She was the guardian of the woods, cloaked in a green cape and a gleaming silver mask. Foxy's days were filled with deeds of bravery and kindness. Her adventures began with the rescue of a lost baby bunny. Utilizing her super speed, Foxy scoured the forest, her keen eyes spotting the tiny bunny cowering under a bush. With gentle nudges, she coaxed the frightened creature out, reuniting it with its anxious family. This act of compassion was a testament to her benevolent spirit. But Foxy's role as the forest guardian was not limited to rescuing the lost. Her sharp senses allowed her to perceive dangers unseen and unheard by others. When a fierce storm approached, Foxy was the herald of warning. She swiftly gathered the woodland creatures, leading them to the safety of a large burrow. Her foresight saved many, reinforcing her status as the protector of Whispering Woods. One of her most notable feats involved assisting a group of industrious beavers. Their dam, vital to the forest's well-being, was on the brink of collapse. Foxy, with her dexterity and quick thinking, helped repair the dam, ensuring the safety of the forest's inhabitants. This act not only showcased her intelligence but also her ability to collaborate for the greater good. As night draped its starry cloak over Whispering Woods, Foxy would stand atop the highest hill, her cape billowing in the wind. The animals of the forest would gather around her, each expressing their gratitude in their unique ways. Their chorus of thanks, from the gentle hoots of the owls to the soft chirping of the crickets, filled the air with a symphony of appreciation. Foxy's adventures were more than just heroic acts. They were a beacon of hope and camaraderie in the forest. Her presence brought harmony and safety to Whispering Woods, inspiring all who lived there. In the heart of this enchanted forest, the tales of Foxy were not just stories, they were legends of courage, compassion, and the enduring power of guardianship.